Good day, everyone. With this one tip, you can free up a lot of space in your laptop, whether it's Windows 10 or Windows 11. Firstly, you need to open your Microsoft Store and look for Microsoft PC Manager. You can search it in your Microsoft Store and look for PC Manager. It is provided by Microsoft, and you will find Microsoft PC Manager, which has 1000 plus ratings, and it is above 4.5, which is actually great. Once you have downloaded and installed it, you just need to click on open. You can also do the update. If you have already installed. Now, once it is installed, if you want to make your PC faster, or if you want to do a deep cleanup, or if you want to free up storage, then you just need to click on the storage the storage tab, and here you can do a deep cleanup, or you can simply click on this downloaded files or large files, or just click on this disk analysis. So I'll click on disk analysis, which will scan your hard drive, whether it is SSD or HDD, and then you can click on this three lines and you'll find downloaded files, large files, duplicate files. So currently it is scanning and it is showing that application files is 27 GB, system files 14, other 8.4. Total disk have been used is 143 GB. Now, I can go with large files. Firstly, you should always go with the large files, see what exactly it is. The best part of this app is not only you can search the large files, you can also classify whether it's video, audio, or any document, right? Or others. You can try that. So you can see there are a lot of files are there, and you can simply select that, and you can. So I have selected, and it is going to free up 15 GB for me. So I will check one by one first. Okay. So it says deleted successfully, freed up 15 GB of disk. Now I can select all like this. From others, you can do with video or audio, or you can select like this. So this is a wonderful app, and the best part is that it is absolutely free. You can also try that, and I'll click on another 12 GB is going to be clean, so I will get more and more space, and the best part is doesn't take much time. So I'll go with downloaded files. It will scan. You can check what exactly it is. I'll select all, and like this you can select it and you can remove it. So this is how you can free up storage space, and you can also check what the duplicate file, right? So this is a good thing. You should install this Microsoft PC Manager, and do let me know in the comment section whether you are already using Microsoft PC Manager for this storage, for freeing up space in your computer. If yes, please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day. Take care.